at some shortcuts and tricks in solving questions on algebra. These shortcuts and tricks will be very helpful in your examination. So these are some formulas or algebraic identities which are used often in your examinations. And some tricks here are, the first trick is, if a plus 1 by a is equal to k, then a square plus 1 by a square is equal to k square minus 2. Also, if a minus 1 by a is equal to k, then a square plus 1 by a square is k square plus 2. Then moving on to the third trick, if a plus 1 by a is equal to k, then a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to k cube plus 3k. Moving on to the fourth trick, if a minus 1 by a is equal to k, then a cube minus 1 by a cube is equal to k cube plus 3k. Moving on to trick 5, a plus 1 by a is equal to k, then a to the power 5 plus 1 by a to the power 5 is equal to a square plus 1 by a square multiplied with a cube plus 1 by a cube minus a plus 1 by a. Trick 6, if a plus 1 by a is equal to root 3, then a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 0. Also, a to the power 6 plus 1 is equal to 0 and a to the power 6 is equal to minus 1. Trick 7, if a square plus 1 by a square is equal to k, then first a plus 1 by a is equal to under root k plus 2 and second a minus 1 by a is equal to under root k minus 2. Let's look at 8th trick. If x minus a square plus y minus b square plus z minus c square is equal to 0, then x is equal to a, y is equal to b and z is equal to c. Let's take an example. If x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, then we have to find the value of x plus y here. These are the options. What we'll do here is, we will take the given expression which is given in the question, that is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Completing the squares in the expression, we will have x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. This means x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 2. Then x plus y will be equal to minus 2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 4. Trick 9 is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1 always. Trick 10 is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to minus 1 always. Based on these formulas and these 10 tricks we've learned, let's solve a quiz here. Let's do question number 1. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 6, then the value of 3x by 2x square plus 2 minus 5x will be. These are the options. Let's see which is the correct option. Here we have to find the value of 3x over 2x square plus 2 minus 5x. This will be equal to 3x, and in the denominator, if we take x common, inside we'll be left with 2x plus 2 by x minus 5. X gets cancelled with x. This is equal to 3 by 2x plus 2 by x minus 5. This will be equal to 3 by, from these two terms we can take 2 common, and inside we'll be left with x plus 1 by x minus 5. So this will be equal to 3 by 2 multiplied with x plus 1 by x is equal to 6 minus 5. So this will be equal to 3 by 12 minus 5. This will be equal to 3 by 7. So D is the correct option here. Let's do question number 2. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, then the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 will be. These are the options. We have to find the correct value here. Let's solve this. Here it is given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. This implies if we square both sides, we'll have x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3 square, that will be 9. This is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 9. So this will imply from here that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 9 minus 2, that is 7. If we square this one more time, we will have x square plus 1 by x square raised to power 2 will be equal to 7 square. So this implies x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus twice x square multiplied by 1 by x square equal to 49. So this implies x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4 plus 2, as x square gets cancelled with x square, is equal to 49. So this implies here that x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 49 minus 2, that is 47. So 47 is the correct answer here. So B is the correct option. Let's do question number 3. In question number 3, we have if x is equal to root 2 plus 1 and y is equal to 1 minus root 2, then the value of x square plus y square plus xy will be, these are the options. Let's see which is the correct option. So here in this question, we have to find the value of x square plus y square plus xy. So this will be x square plus y square plus xy, which can be written as x square plus y square plus 2xy minus xy. This will be equal to, here we can apply the formula of a plus b whole square. That means x plus y whole square minus xy. So this will be equal to, in place of x we can write root 2 plus 1, and here in place of y we can write, for y we can write 1 minus root 2. So this is 1 minus root 2, closing the bracket, and here we will have a square minus x multiplied by y, that means root 2 plus 1 multiplied with 1 minus root 2. So this becomes equal to, inside the bracket we'll have root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 minus, and this will be, this is 1 minus root 2 and this is 1 plus root 2, that is a minus b multiplied with a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So this becomes, here we can put a bracket, 1 square minus root 2 square. So this becomes equal to, plus root 2 gets cancelled with minus root 2, this is 2 minus, and here we had a square also. So this square I missed, so this is 2 square now, minus, and this will be 1 minus 2. So this is equal to 4 minus 1. So this is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the correct option is option D, 5. Let's do question number 4. If a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 10, then we have to find the value of this expression. These are the options. Let's see which is the correct option. Let's solve this question. Here, a plus b plus c will be equal to minus 5 plus minus 6 plus 10 is equal to minus 5 minus 6 plus 10 is equal to minus 11 plus 10 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the given expression, that means this expression, will be equal to for the numerator, we can write a plus b plus c multiplied with a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca divided by, and from the denominator we can take minus outside, and if we take minus outside, inside the bracket we'll have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So these two will get cancelled, as we can see that the two are getting cancelled, and we are left with minus a plus b plus c. So that is minus of minus 1 equal to 1 only. So option B is the correct option here. Question number 5 is, if 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power minus z, then the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to, these are the options. Let's see which is the correct option. For solving this question, let 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power minus z is equal to k. This implies if we take 2 to the power x is equal to k, so this will imply that 2 is equal to k to the power 1 by x. Similarly, 3 from here will be equal to k to the power 1 by y, and 6 will be equal to k to the power of minus 1 by z. If we multiply these two equations, we will get, therefore, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to, this is equal to k raised to power 1 by y multiplied with k raised to power 1 by x. These two are getting multiplied. So this means that this is equal to k raised to power 1 by x plus 1 by y. And also we have 6 equal to k raised to power minus 1 by z. That means 6 is also equal to k raised to power minus 1 by z. So we can equate these. On equating these, we will get, this implies k raised to power 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to k raised to power minus 1 by z. So on both sides we have the same bases, so the powers will also be equal. So 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to minus 1 by z. So this implies 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0. So A is the correct option here. Let's do question number 6. Here, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 and x is a real number, then value of x to the power 17 plus x to the power 19 will be, these are the options. Let's see which is the correct option. So here in the question, it is given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. And this is a trick which we've learned, that if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x will be equal to 1. So that means if we evaluate x to the power 17 plus 1 by x to the power 19, this will be equal to 1 to the power 17 plus 1 by 1 to the power 19 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Let's do question number 7. According to question number 7, if x is equal to 4ab by a plus b and a is not equal to b, then x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b by x minus 2b will be, these are the options. Let's see which is the correct option. So let's start with what is given here. It is given that x is equal to 4ab by a plus b. So this is what is given. X is equal to 4ab by a plus b. This implies x by a is equal to 4b by a plus b. This implies we can have x by 2a is equal to 2b by a plus b. Using componendo and dividendo here, we will have x plus 2a by x minus 2a is equal to 2b plus a plus b over 2b minus a minus b. So this will be x plus 2a over x minus 2a is equal to 3b plus a over b minus a. Also, if we take x is equal to 4ab by a plus b once again, we can have from here x by 2b is equal to 2a by a plus b. This implies, using componendo and dividendo here, we will have x plus 2b over x minus 2b is equal to 2a plus a plus b divided by 2a minus a minus b. So this implies x plus 2b is equal to x minus 2b is equal to 3a plus b over a minus b. So we have obtained, one is this equation and second is this equation. If we can add the two, on adding the two we will have, this implies x plus 2b by x minus 2b plus x plus 2a over x minus 2a will be equal to 3a plus b over a minus b. And here if we take minus common, so this becomes minus outside 3b plus a in the numerator, and in the denominator we will have a minus b. So this will be equal to, taking the LCM, we'll have a minus b, and this will be 3a plus b minus 3b minus a, which is equal to twice a minus twice b over a minus b, which will be equal to, if we take 2 out from the numerator, this will be a minus b over a minus b. Both get cancelled and this becomes equal to 2. So the value of this expression comes equal to 2. That means D is the correct option here. Let's do question number 8. If a cube minus b cube is equal to 56 and a minus b is equal to 2, then the value of a square plus b square will be, These are the options. Let's see which is the correct option here. Let's try to apply some of the tricks we've learned in algebra. So it is given here that a cube minus b cube is equal to 56. Now, do you know the formula for a cube minus b cube? Yes, it's very simple. A cube minus b cube is a minus b multiplied with a square plus ab plus b square. And this is given equal to 56 here. Also, we can see that it is given here that a minus b is equal to 2. So here we can substitute a minus b as 2, and this gets multiplied with a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 56. This implies from here we can get the value of a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 56 divided by 2, that will be 28. Now we have this equation. This equation says a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 28. Call this as first. And also we have a minus b equal to 2. So this we have a minus b is equal to 2. If we square both sides here, let's see what happens if we square both sides here. Then we will have a minus b whole square is equal to 2 square. This implies a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 4. This is our equation 2. And this implies, writing beneath this, our equation first, that will be a square plus b square plus ab equal to 28. This was our equation 1. From these two equations, if we subtract, let's say we are subtracting, so subtract second from first. We subtract equation 2 from equation 1, a square and b square will get cancelled, and here we will have ab minus 2ab, that will be 3ab is equal to 28 minus 4. This implies 3ab is equal to 24. This implies AB here will be 24 by 3, that is equal to 8. Now if we look at this equation, that is our equation 1, our job is become very simple now. So we can see here that we found the value of AB as 8, and that means this equation will become a square plus b square plus 8 is equal to 28. So this implies very easily from here we can find the value of a square plus b square as 28 minus 8 is equal to 20. And this is exactly what we had to find in the question. So let's look at the options once again. So we've got the answer as 20. That means B is the correct option here. Let's do question number 9. In question number 9, we have x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 23. Then the value of x minus 1 by x whole square will be, these are the options. Let's see which is the correct option here. Let's see what is given in this question. We are given that x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is 23. So let's write this. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 23. This is given in the question. Now what we can do here is, for x to the power 4, we can write x square whole square plus, and for 1 by x to the power 4 we can write 1 by x square whole square, and here we can add 2. This is equal to adding 2 also on this side. So this implies, now we can write this as x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus twice multiplied with x square multiplied with 1 by x square is equal to 25. Now this implies this becomes the expansion for a plus b whole square. So this will become x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 25. This implies from here we will have x square plus 1 by x square taking square roots on both sides equal to 5. This implies now writing x square as x whole square plus this as 1 by x whole square, subtracting 2 from this side and subtracting 2 from the other side also. This implies x whole square plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 multiplied with x multiplied with 1 by x is equal to 3. So this implies here we have the formula for a minus b whole square. So this becomes x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3. So for this question we are getting 3 as the answer. Let's see what are the options we are given here. So the correct option here is option D. Let's do question number 10. If a minus b is equal to 3 and b minus c is equal to 5 and c minus a is equal to 1, then we have to find the value of this expression, and these are the options. Let's see which is the correct option. For solving this question, we will make use of the identity. We know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 1 by 2 a plus b plus c multiplied with a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So this formula we know. So from this formula, simplifying it further, we can bring this a plus b plus c to this side, that means to the LHS. Then we will have a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc divided by a plus b plus c is equal to 1 by 2. And here inside the bracket we'll have a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So let's see what we have to find in the question. In fact, in the question we have to find this, and expression for this we have constructed here. This will be equal to 1 by 2. Putting in the values inside the brackets here, a minus b is given as 3, so this becomes 3 square, plus b minus c is given as 5, so this becomes 5 square, plus c minus a is given as 1, so this becomes 1 square. So this will become equal to 1 by 2. 3 square is 9 plus 5 square is 25 plus 12 is equal to 1 by 2. 3 square is 9 plus 5 square is 25 plus 1 square is 1. So this becomes equal to 35 by 2. That is equal to 17.5. So 17.5 is the correct answer here. Let's look at the options, and yes, option A indeed is the correct answer.